Alright, so hey calculus people, on Monday here, uh, we are doing some remote learning because of all the ice, which the ice scared me quite a bit since last time we had ice I did not do so well. So luckily we got a video here of the notes for this, and it's lots of examples. You got a blank worksheet, so you can either, if you have a printer, you can print it out, or if you have Cami, the app installed, it's a plugin on Chrome, so you should have it. That you can, after you download this and open it up, you can just write on the PDF, or open it with Cami, and then you can write on it. So try that out and give it a whirl, and it should be pretty easy. Tomorrow is kind of more of the same, but we'll be in class hopefully, and we'll be able to ask questions on it and all that stuff, and then we're gonna review and get ready for a quiz next week. All right, hope you enjoy staying in the PJs today, and I will see you tomorrow. Adios.